Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the service reminder of a Suzuki Vitara 2016. This method covers all Suzuki Vitaras with the same instrument cluster from 2014 till 2021. Let's jump right into it. First, the ignition is turned off, then press a double tap on the start button to turn the ignition on. 2. Wait for this sign to disappear, the Suzuki sign on your screen on the instrument cluster. Also, this sign must disappear. Yes. Then press this button over here, press and hold it for about 5 seconds, and a new menu appears on your screen. Like this. You can turn this to the left or to the right to find oil change. Press this button once, then reset oil change, press and hold it, and you'll see that it says successful. Press the ignition back off, do the check by turning the ignition on, and you'll see that the indicator isn't visible anymore. This was the method for resetting the oil change of a Suzuki Vitara 2014 till 2021. I hope this helped you resetting your Vitara. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.